Hey, what's up, fam? Hey, today we're gonna get in the game. I know you clicked that thumbnail because you seen those delicious chicken cheesesteak sliders. I'm gonna show you how to make them. The ingredients will be in the description box below, but take a look at this right here. Easy recipe, not a lot of ingredients, and we're gonna get in the game. Now hit me in the comments. Do you go with store brand or do you go with the national brand? Now you can go out and get those Hawaiian style rolls, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I say $2 by getting the store brand, and they still delicious, fam. So hit me in the comments. Let me know if you ever go with the store brand or you just roll with the regular brand. Now let's get into this recipe and let's get in the game. So what I wanna do is I wanna cut this bell pepper in the strips, not too big, but just enough to give me a nice little bite of bell pepper. So this right here will be a perfect size. So I'm gonna do my green, and then I'm gonna do my red bell pepper. And then this way, you know, if you're not cutting them too big, they will cook a little bit quicker. You'll be in the game. We're gonna take our onion and we just gonna go down like that. I don't want too bigger pieces. So something like that, like I said, to make it render a little bit quicker, this will be a perfect size. Now I'm rolling with 2 chicken breasts, and what I want to do is I want to just go ahead and remove this fat right here because I'm not going to use it in this recipe. So we'll just cut that off. And now what we'll do, we'll just get down and we'll cut us some thin strips of chicken like that. Just like this right here. And this is going to be enough chicken to make a good size slider. I don't want to skimp on my meat. I want enough meat to satisfy the crowd when we put these sliders out. Now we got our Hawaiian rolls out, and then all we want to do is come through and then cut the middle. And then we'll get our pan. We're gonna toast these in the oven. I got some melted butter, and then we'll put our butter on both sides of these Hawaiian rolls. All right, so we got these, hey, nice and toasted. We're gonna set these to the side, let them cool just a little bit, and we're gonna start working on that cheesesteak. We're gonna go in with a little bit of olive oil so we can get a little bit of moisture on this pan. And then we're gonna put our veggies on this cast iron, let them render down, and go with however many, onions and bell peppers that you like. You don't have to use a whole onion or bell pepper. Go to your preference. So we're gonna season these veggies, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of Creole Seasoning, and then we're gonna let these render. So we want to cook these until they become soft. The bell peppers are soft, the onions are soft, and they look good, they smell good. And then we're gonna sit these to the side on a plate. Then we're gonna come in with our chicken. And then I'm gonna drizzle a little bit more olive oil. And then we're gonna come in, we're gonna season our chicken. We're gonna hit it with some Creole Seasoning. A little bit of pepper. And then we're gonna throw a little bit of Italian seasoning on. So we'll let this cook thoroughly, and then we'll start chopping it, and then we'll come back and season it again because we want all of that flavor. And then once your chicken cooks through thoroughly, what I would do is I'll give it a taste, see if you need to add a little bit more seasoning, and if you do so at this time. So we'll take a piece, taste it. Fam, that's delicious right there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add my veggies back in. All right, so we're in the perfect spot to add our cheese, that provolone cheese. And while we let that cheese melt, we're just gonna get everything mixed in because I'm gonna add some more cheese on the top of it. Hey, but this is looking good, fam. Smelling delicious. I already know it's gonna be delicious. Look at that right there. Yes, sir. Get you a nice little cheese pour. You see that? So we got our cheese where we want it to be. So we don't want this to burn. So what we want to do is we want to take our chicken cheesesteak and do it like this. Bring it over to our slider and situate it like that. Get the rest of it off that pan. Yes, sir, we're in the game. Got those out the pan. Like I said, I want to add a little bit more cheese on the top. Let me spread this out just a little bit so everybody gets a nice little bite of that nice cooked chicken. Then we're gonna take our top like that, and then we'll get it situated. And then what we want to do is we want to take us a little bit of butter, and then we're gonna hit that top like so, because we're gonna place it back in the oven. And we're gonna let that cheese melt. So we want to hit sides too. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle it with just a little bit of Italian seasoning on top. We'll place this in the oven, like I said, let that cheese melt. And we're gonna be in the game, fam. All right, we let these go, let that cheese melt, and let that top do what it do. And take a look at that right there. Absolutely delicious chicken cheesesteak sliders, fam. All right, fam, now we just gotta slice this up so we can get some good pieces out of it. And then we'll get us a piece like this right here. Look at that right there. Yes, sir. Hey, we in the game. Hey, one of them I had to get a little Duke's mayo on it because I'm a Duke's fan. And then the other one, I'm just gonna keep it plain. And you see that cheese, man, that cheese looks absolutely delicious. Yes, sir. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go in with this one first because you already know, hey, you gotta taste those flavors, you know? Duke's mayo is just gonna take it over the top. Hey, cheers, fam. That right there is absolutely delicious, fam. Yes, sir. And if you're new to my channel, let me take the time out and say thank you so much for stopping by, clicking on this video. And if you like content like this and you want more of it, hey, smash that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your family and friends and tell them Coach Ike at Cooking with Manual Focus got you in the game. Now for my Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while. Hey, you know what I'm about to do? Fam, this is what I'm about to do. I'm about to smash into this chicken cheesesteak slider with a little bit of that Duke's mayo, and we're gonna be in the game, fam. Yes, sir. We're in the game.